Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a haul. I recently made a big purchase on this new website app called Shein or Shine, whatever you like to call it. So yeah, this video has been highly requested on my Instagram where I posted a couple of the pieces. So let's just jump right into the haul. This is basically the box that my stuff came in. I told you I ordered a lot. Okay, so basically the stuff from Shein come in this plastic container thing, this plastic bag, and to be honest, I think it's kind of wasteful that every single item comes in this plastic bag, but whatever. My first romper is this cute little piece. I got it in a size small, European 36 or US 4. I always prefer to go with clothing that is a little bit bigger. If I'm not sure about my size, I'll just get a size up, just because I'd rather have something that's a little bit more loose fitting than super tight. Okay, so this is basically what the romper looks like. It does have polka dots all over, which I am obsessed with. I really like, you know, off the shoulder type of styles that have long sleeves. I think it's really girly and really cute. The overall fit is really nice. I am not complaining at all. It's not see-through, as you can see, and overall I think that this is a really cute buy for summer. So this is basically another romper. It's pretty much the same type of material as the blue one, only it's styled a little bit different and has a different cut. I do like the fact that there is a rubber band over here to sort of cinch in the waist, which will allow you to look a lot more hourglass in my opinion. And it also has this little detailing where the décolletage is to really emphasize the best aspects, I guess, of your body. Moving on, I also purchased this cute little spaghetti strap dress. To be honest, if I went to a store and I would have tried this on at a store, I probably would not buy it, just because the material is kind of unflattering and it's not very comfortable. It's very stiff, it's not stretchy at all, but it does emphasize your décolletage if that's the kind of look that you guys want to go for. Overall, this is a really cute dress for summer. Alright, so next up we have the suits, and these are basically sets that I have purchased. They come with a jacket and bottoms, and to be honest with you, I am surprised by how cute this one turned out. It's this cute plaid nude set, but overall it looks really cute together, and I'm so happy I purchased it. I did purchase another suit, and this one is in the color yellow. It's a bit more chic, and it was one of the more expensive items on Shein. I think it was their like exclusive or luxury items. We have another suit, except this one is with longer pants. I really wanted to get, you know, really colorful suits, just because sometimes I do have meetings and I like to look a bit more professional on a daily basis. So I did get this color, which I thought was gorgeous. Now, the yellow suit that I mentioned was from the more high-end line from Shein, but this one was not, and you can totally tell in the difference in quality, because this jacket is not double-lined. It's really thin and kind of flimsy, but on the body it does look cute, but it's definitely not the same quality as the yellow suit that I purchased. Now for the last co-ord piece that I purchased, I got a set of this tank top and pair of pants. The pants pretty much look like this, and the tank top, which I actually really like the material of, looks like this. It has these string details that you can just pull up and it gets shorter at the waist. But overall, this is what it looks like on, and to be honest with you, I am not a fan of the pants. They are really flimsy, they're kind of see-through, and the material is just not comfortable. Like, it just does not feel good at all. All right, so next up, you guys, is this bodysuit. And I'm gonna pair it up with this really frilly skirt that I ordered. Now, to be honest with you, the skirt looked so much cuter on the website, but in real life, I really kind of hate it. On the website, it just looked really frilly and girly, and in real life, I don't know what they put underneath the material, but it feels like tulle, and it just makes me look like a puffball. However, the bodysuit is really, really cute. I love the fit of it. It fits perfectly on me. Now, for the second bodysuit that I have purchased, it's basically exactly like the other off-the-shoulder bodysuit, except this one comes with a little spaghetti strap, and it looks a little bit more delicate. And I really like to pair this bodysuit up with this cheetah print skirt that I have purchased. Now, I was a little bit weary about this specific product because I took a look at the material description, and it's a polyester, and polyester has zero stretch to it, guys. Thankfully, the fit is amazing. It looks really cute on, and I actually wore this recently to a holiday dinner and received a lot of compliments. I do recommend, if you are going to purchase a short top like this, to make sure you have something that's super high-waisted in your closet. Otherwise, you know, your tummy is going to be hanging all out, and if you're self-conscious like myself about your tummy, then you're probably not going to end up wearing this. But I ended up pairing this with a pair of jeans that I have from Fashion Nova, and I think it's super cute. This is a ribbed crop tank top, and I really like the color, to be honest. That's the reason why I purchased it. It's like really standard. The material is okay. It kind of feels like a knitted type of material, and I think it's really cute to pair up with either short pants, jeans, or just even a skirt. It's just a really cute standard buy. All right, so next up we have this jacket that I purchased on its own. I really like how it has some detailing on the sleeve. However, the material is pretty thin. It does have some shoulder pads to give you some body and structure, but this overall material is really thin. It's not double-lined. It does look kind of flimsy, but I guess once you pair it up with an entire look, you don't really notice it as much. Now, I also did purchase some shoes from Shein, and with this jacket, I think the white shoes that I purchased look really, really cute. They are really comfortable. I purchased a size 35 European, which is a US 6. And they're really comfortable. I think that they're super cute for the summer. You do, however, need to break them in because they are kind of stiff and they cause some blisters. But overall, the price was really good, and I'm not mad at that. Okay, now for my least favorite items are these pair of pants. I ordered this in a size small, and it's huge. It's like ginormous on me. The fit is not very good, the size is not very good, and I probably will end up donating this because it just does not fit me very well. It does not flatter me at all. However, I did get another frilly top, which I love. I love the color of this. I love the frill. I love the stretch of the band and the sleeves. Really girly look, and yeah, I just love it. I love the top, hate the pants, but you know, you can't always win. Now, lastly, for the clothes, I also ordered this pair of trousers, and I really, really like them. Surprisingly, the material is really nice, and it has a lot of stretch to it. I think this is really cute for everyday wear, or just when you want something a little bit more casual and put together. The color is also really, really nice, and on the website they have a ton of color options for this specific item. Okay, so there are two more items that I did not feature in this video. One of them was another bodysuit, and it was way too small for me, so I ended up gifting it to my sister-in-law, and the other one was a white bag. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, it basically looked like this, but in reality it was super duper crappy and really small. It just looked nothing like the picture, okay guys? So overall I would rate my first experience on Shein from 1 to 10 as a solid 8. I really like the app. I like how easy it is. At first I didn't really understand how to find items, you know, that would be to my liking, because you basically click on a shirt or a pair of pants, whatever that you like, and then underneath it they give you a bunch of other options which they think you might like as well. So I guess it kind of works like Instagram does, you know how you click on a picture and then you scroll down and you have a bunch more pictures from other users that Instagram thinks you might like. So it's basically like that. And overall I'm really happy with the quality, and I would definitely recommend this website if you are thinking about purchasing from Shein. Just make sure you look at the size chart for each item. That's what I did until I got lazy and the pair of trousers that I purchased was way too big, even though it said small. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. See you all next time. Bye.